Wolfie is 9 months old. I have totally not been keeping up with his weekly pictures. No, because he's the second baby. Oh yeah, he has 4 teeth now. He got his 3rd one 2 days ago, and then yesterday he got the 4th. He's starting to talk a lot more now. He especially loves to tell things to his sister. Hi, Elfie. Wolfie can sit by himself now. He still flops around. We've got to watch him, but... He's getting good at playing. Yes. Oh, down he goes. He can catch himself when he falls now. Not entirely reliably, but... He's gonna be a skookum-wee one like his sister. Yeah. Oh, come get it. Come get it. He's almost crawling. He can go forward. He can do the army hump. Hi. And yeah, he can't stand up on his own. And he can't really crawl. But he's already into everything. Aren't you? I actually slept last night. Did you sleep last night, Wolf? You did. Like you're moon crawling, Wolf. Is that a horsey? No, it's a horse. No baby words, Mama. Is it awake? Yeah, geez, the sheer amount of video that I have of Aeon as a baby is kind of boggling my mind. It's nice to look back, but geez. I have a lot of video of her eating. Just sitting there eating, not doing anything else, not saying anything, just eating. I haven't been taking much video of little Wolf. Good job. Yeah, he gets where he wants to. What's going on? What's going on? Wake your sister up. You're gonna wake your sister up. Come get him. Yeah. Come on. Come get him. Come on. You can do it. Are you waving? Are you waving? Hi. Oh, wow. You can crawl when you want to. Yeah, yay! Clap, 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 clap. Clap, clap, clap. Yeah, move the horse, that's right. Let go. Let go of the horse. Nay! 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 Get that horse. Thank you for showing that to me. Yay, good job. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Did you do it? Now that you have it, you don't even want it. Silly boy.